Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's Amory from Supreme Guru Tech, and I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your time on Facebook. So the first thing that you want to do is tap into your Facebook application, and then what you want to do is tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Now that we have tapped on those three lines, I want you to scroll down the page until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap into that. Now in Settings and Privacy, you can see halfway down the page it says Your Time on Facebook. So let's tap on that. So in here we get this graph that shows us the days of the week, and also if we tap on the specific day, you will see a notification just above it showing you how many minutes you roughly spent on Facebook on that particular day. So from this graph you can see that on Tuesday I spent the whole of 8 minutes on Facebook. Now that isn't a lot, and that's purely because I don't use Facebook that much, but as you can see, as we are actually recording this video, that the Saturday graph actually went up to 2 minutes. So what you can do from within this setting is, first of all, I want to go through the daily reminder. So you can get a daily reminder once you've reached the time that you've set for yourself. So let's say, for an example, I want reminded if I have spent 1 hour on Facebook. So I can tap that and it says that you've set a daily reminder for 1 hour. You can adjust this and tap whatever you want to choose. Now, what you can also do is, where it says manage your notifications, you can change your notification settings, and the reason for this is so that you're not distracted by the notifications that pop up on your phone, meaning that you will spend hopefully less time on Facebook. So you can go into each of these notifications and you can tap on whatever it is that the notification has got set up. So you can see here I've got, for comments, push notifications and also text message notifications. I can tap on the little switch and turn that off. So you can go down this list yourself and tap on whatever you want to be notified on, or take off those notifications altogether. And as you can see at the very top of the setting, it does say mute push notifications. So you can just tap on that there and that will absolutely switch off your notifications, and you can give it a time limit here. That's very good for, say for example, you're in a meeting and you don't want to be distracted by any Facebook notifications, then that is the setting to tap into. Now what you can also do is go into news feed preferences. So take control and customize your news feed. So prioritize who to see first, unfollow people to hide their posts, reconnect with people you've unfollowed, and apps hidden in your news feed. Again, these are settings that are aimed to help you use Facebook to the best of your ability. We all know that whenever we're scrolling through a Facebook feed, sometimes the majority of the time, we get a lot of things that we're not interested in, which means we are just going to continue scrolling through our newsfeed to actually find something that we are interested in. That initially means that you're still spending more time on Facebook. So this setting here is to help you prioritize what you're seeing on your news feed. So that is the setting of viewing your time on Facebook. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, remember to give me a little thumbs up, just so I know that you've liked it and you want to maybe see more videos like that. You have been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.